We welcome you to the biology lab of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Our topic is to identify male and female ascaris, Entamoeba histolytica, Plasmodium for spotting. This is the external features of the ascaris. This is Entamoeba. Here polymorphic form of Entamoeba histolytica is shown. Here this is a male and female ascaris,
which is the smaller one, and this is the female, which is the larger one. Okay, they have separate mouth and the excretory pore, but the difference is that in the male the pineal CT is present and the separate cloacal aperture. In female, the separate female genital pore opens and they have the separate anus for it. So anus and the cloacal aperture here in the male and female, they are here the cloacal aperture, they are also meant for the mating and all, pineal CT. So this is the male and female ascaris. Now what is the problem? Here you have to study about the disease caused in the human being. So this roundworm infection, it causes ascariasis because this is the intestinal parasite. They show sexual dimorphism. What is the meaning of sexual dimorphism? It means that they have separate male and female. Okay, two separate organisms means they show sexual dimorphism. Male has pineal CT, cloacal aperture, and the female has separate female genital pore and the excretory pore which opens separately in the organisms. Now the Entamoeba histolytica, the slide is not present. The slide is not present. Here in the Entamoeba histolytica, which is also a endoparasite in the human, and it is caused by the contaminated food and water, as well as it is transmitted by when the housefly or the cockroach visit the contaminated food and then they visit the fresh food, then the infection caused, that is called amoebiasis. Means the person suffer from the bloody dysentery or the bloody stool or the loose stool. So the structure of the Entamoeba, which is supposed to be visible under the microscope, slide is not available here, later on it will be available. So the outermost covering is the ectoplasm, inner is the endoplasm, and they have separate nucleus and the food vacuole. These food vacuole, they contains RBC. Some bacteria is also present in it, they engulf it, and then the whole structure is filled up with the cytoplasm. Now the plasmodium, the next part of your study is the infection is the plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax is caused by this chart paper. I would like you to explain. Here in the chart paper which is present in your lab, you know that the mosquito, they spread this disease. The female Anopheles mosquito, they spread this disease. When the female Anopheles mosquito, they bite any human being, then they transfer the sporozoids in the blood of the human being, and then the transfer of these blood stream, through the blood stream, the sporozoids, they enter the RBC of the human being. The RBC
this is
of
the
the human
diagrammatic
being,
representation of life cycle of Plasmodium vivax.
in the liver.
This
Here
is the structure of the sporozoite in its different parts. It belongs to the phylum Protozoa, class is Sporozoa, and type Plasmodium vivax.